what is going on? So I actually have this long day ahead of me. I have 2 book sessions and then 1 session that I'm really excited about. Now, hopefully this video isn't too long because I want to take you throughout every single thing that I do. Right now I'm kind of at the mall, and it's this one look that I saw online from this store. If I order it, it's not going to be here today. So I'm hoping, I'm praying that they have it in this store. Now, I'm not sure, this is my first time even going to this store. Don't even know how to pronounce the name, but I will put it here so you can see it. So hopefully they have it. They have a lot of like flashy type of stuff, flashy type of things. And I think it'll really complete the look. So I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna see what they got. After that, you know, go ahead on, head to the studio, knock my 2 sessions out first, and then work on that. Also, we just got snow yesterday. Look at this, it's crazy. Middle of March, still snowing, insane. Okay, first and foremost, I don't know what Gaga wore to the Oscars. And this is supposed to be a Gaga at the Oscar dress. That's thing number 1. That's relevant. Thing number 2 is, when they sold me this, they did not say nothing about damaged. And I'm looking at the receipt just because I wanted to get some BTS of how much it costs, which was like close to $80. And it says it was damaged. I'm like, wait, what? So this is the store. If y'all heard of this store, let me know. Me personally, like I said, I never heard of this store, but they have some fire stuff in there. I showed you, you know, just things that I saw. If you are a photographer wanting to do editorial or fashion or anything like that, this store has everything you need. Like Forever 21, Express, H&M, like I don't think they got nothing on this store just because of how flashy it is. So I'm definitely going to keep coming back to this store. But we're going to see if we could alter this dress a little bit. So in the photos that I showed that I was going for, you will see it was shorter. This is long. Like this is really long. And that's the part that I'm kind of worried about. So we're going to see if we could alter it a little bit. It says damaged. We probably can't return it because she was like, hey, we could just return it. But I don't know. They're saying store credit or exchange, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to go ahead on, head back home, get ready for the day, and I'll see you at the studio. All right. Off to the studio. Oh, shit. I think I just dropped some stuff on accident.
Oh, hello. Greetings. That's all I got.
Okay. You said, well, now, how do you like the setup, though? It's super lightweight.
Ooh, it is lightweight.
Now, I know you heard of behind the scenes before. Oh. Oh, no, BTS. All right, so look at the outfit. Show the shoulders off. See the shoulders? Hey. Shoulders. So what we have to do is, I'm gonna pan down, all right? I'm gonna pan down, but they can't see anything. So what we had to do is, because it was so long, we had to like roll it up a little bit. Before we rolled it up, where would it have went down to?
Like probably right here.
And that was way too long. We didn't want that. So we rolled it up a little bit, and that's how we got that situation. So we're about to start doing some beauty shots for the Godox video, and then after that, we're gonna put this whole thing into play. Do me a favor, hold this up right here, and let me just take a photo of. No, I got it. Yeah, just so I could, just so I can see. Make sure. All right. Heel selection.
These or these?
That's actually hard because I do like the shiny. Alex, you here? Yeah. Come here right quick. Let's go to Alex. Alex, what do you think?
Oh, dang. I would say we don't want to take away from that, so clear.
Clear?
Yeah, that way we don't take away from the actual dress.
Okay. So clear.
We got ADHD people like me. I'm like, oh, shiny stuff on the floor.
Right.
your shoes, and then you don't see the dress.
Then you don't pay attention to the dress. All right, cool.
Check out the makeup. Ryan is setting up. My face is so close to the camera. I think you're blurry.
Do me a favor, turn more this way. Yeah, just like that. Oh, that is fire. Hold on. I'm gonna have to change my lens because I want more of that. But that looks nice.
Made your first live video. Yeah.
I know, right? Oh, this is great. Yeah. All right, now give me those poses you were doing. You don't remember anymore, do you? With the arms, yeah. Yep, just like that, yep. Let me make sure we're good. Perfect. Stay like that. Let me come at you from this angle. So. Cool. So, for this, I gotta test a few things before we get the actual shot. That's fine. That's good. Where's my camera though? Oh, here we go. All right, so while I set this up, don't worry about posing or nothing. I just gotta get the light right. Okay, so that's red. I want it to be a little brighter. Let's try this. I like that. Do me a favor, step up just a tad bit though. Step forward. Yep. And all right, we're good right here. Now, this part right here. Okay. This is gonna be the hard part. And also, when I get this part right, you can't move. I gotta turn the lights off. This is the part right here. So, I see the slit, but there you go. Something like that. Perfect. And then, should have turned more of the lights off. There we go, perfect, just like. Huh? You said it's bright? All right, hold up. So remember, can't move. You move. Oh, that's the important part. Don't move at all. I still don't have it right yet. This is gonna be so hard. Feel me? Are you just saying that or you mean it?
No, that's dope.
Okay.
You can still see the dress. I thought you wasn't gonna be able to see anything else.
Oh, no. So I wanted everything to be red but your eyes. I like that. Let me make sure I'm still recording. I am recording. Look. Okay. As I'm recording. Huh? All right, cool. I want to explain what's going on here. All right, quick. All right, cool. So look, I have AD600 with a red gel, making everything red, right? Then I have the Godox Optical Snoot. This is made by Godox as well, by the way.
And then we have Michelle.
And then we have Michelle. How you doing? How you liking it? So,
Good.
I don't know if you can see, but it's like this little slit of light. And that's what's causing this slit of light on her face, and we're kind of just playing with the angles and everything like that. So yeah, we'll see how that looks. I like that. All right, so look, how do you feel about the shoe? Was it good? Was it good? Did you like it?
Yes,
Was
I
it great?
loved it. It was so creative.
Thank you. Thank you so
love the
much.
red.
And we both did that together, all right?
The red, what you call it?
Gel.
Gel.
That, right? She's talking about that up there.
I was like the black swan.
Yeah.